Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show how to share a screen in a Teams meeting. Let's get started. In a Teams meeting, click on Share in the upper right to the left of Leave. A menu with all of the sharing options will appear. Include Sound will allow participants to hear audio from our computer. This is important if we plan on playing video or audio files from our computer. Next, we will talk about what content we can share. Then we will come back to the presenter mode options. We can share an entire screen. If we have more than one monitor, multiple screens will show up here. We can also choose specific windows by clicking on the symbol below Window. Microsoft Whiteboard will start a digital whiteboard. The default option is that only the host can edit. However, we can choose to let other participants edit it too. Content from Camera will allow us to share content from another camera. This is a camera in addition to the one we are using to film ourselves, for example, a document camera. Additionally, if we have Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, Teams will automatically provide a list of recent files. If needed, we can also access files from our OneDrive. We can also access files from our local computer. However, accessing files from our local computer is limited to Microsoft Office, video, and audio files. Now let's take a look at the presenter modes. This allows us to choose how the screen share looks to participants. Content will prioritize the content and will not show the presenter. Selecting the other options will provide different ways participants can view the presenter and the content. We won't take a look at all of them, but we'll focus on Standout. Standout is probably the most typical. When we choose Standout and the content to share, we will be presented with a pop-up. This pop-up is invisible to participants and allows us to control how they are seeing the shared screen. Using the position buttons in the upper left corner, we can change the location of our camera on screen. We can also change how big our camera video is by using the slider in the upper right. When we are done, we can minimize the preview by clicking on the line in the upper right corner. Microsoft Teams will remember our settings for the next time we use this option. To stop sharing, click on Stop Sharing in the top middle of the screen. Note that this button may move slightly depending on the content being shared. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.